Hello guys, so this is me Khalid. I'm back to my channel after just like 3 months ago. Okay, uh, today you see another content because honestly, just my teacher or our teacher told us to create a video about the academic project that it gave to us. So I would like to share it in YouTube to give her the link. So it doesn't matter if I explain to you or not. So I decide to explain just like a little bit. Uh, okay, so the project is about the platform, the music platform like Spotify, Deezer, Apple Music, and so on. So the idea here or the project consists that we need to see how those platforms such Apple Music or Spotify suggest on us the music or some music. So our teacher gave us a CSV file, écoute music, c'est en français, French. So we imported data from écoute-music.csv. This file contains date, hour, écoute, durée en français, platform, titre or title, and genre, genre en français, genre, le type, type, I think, type in English. So we will work with this CSV file and we will realize those etaps. First etap is about preparation and just like cleaning uh, null or null value, etc. Second one about null analysis or what treatment? Yeah, treatment. I think just like we will realize some diagram that it show us uh, just like how much hour we listen to music per day, per month, and so on, etc. Just like here, per day, here per week, etc. Uh, the third paragraph is similar to the second. So we can say basically the part 2 and 3 and 4, those all those parts consist to create diagrams. That the diagrams give us some information. Okay, and the last paragraph, last part, sorry, we need to export those results as a CSV file, and we need to export those graphs as PNG. Okay, we need to create a folder with name graphic, and we need to export PNG to that folder. So here we have some diagram, and each one we want a specific type for it, just like here, total minute per platform. We want with the bar, a diagram with the bar, and so on. Okay, basically, we show you, or quickly, I will show you the code. Uh, to be honest, I create this code using or with help with AI help, uh, just like I try to create 15 or 17%, and AI such ChatGPT help me when I got a bug or something like this. It's normal, but for me, no, it's not normal because I want to create something unique. Mine, if I just like try to create some code based every time on AI, I can't make or I can't get any uh, more knowledge. Uh, so that's why I need to or you need to also create codes if you study also programming and so on, uh, by your hands. Okay, don't use AI a lot. Yes, uh, it's okay if you use it to to solve a bug or something like this, but it's not okay if you just like give all the work to AI, to the AI. Okay. Me, I make this problem at first because I still I don't know the or every Python syntax. Is that correct syntax? Yes. I don't know the Python syntax or all syntax in Python. I just like now like 13 or 14%. So if I want to create this by myself, I need to and I don't want to use AI. I will just like open my PDF or my courses and I need to search for every function or syntax for just like here reading and so on. You got me, okay? So that's why I try to use AI for help, because if I want to search my books or my PDFs and I don't have time, uh, that will take a lot of time and I don't have time. So that's why I take help from AI. But I don't say that AI is the person who create or is the thing who create all good. Okay, so here we will see, or as you will see, we read the CSV uh, file because we have data on it, and just like we convert to that time because we have here where date, we have here at first moment we have just like 2024 and 02, just like here 08. uh, to the time is used to convert this, because at first it's just like it's readable just like a string, just like a paragraph. So we use to that time to convert it to a date. Okay, okay. So here we use it, we converted that time our equal to that time, just like we follow steps. Okay, where is it? Here is it. The part one told us convertir les colonnes date et heure that occurred on objet that time. It says just like the translate, yeah, the convert columns with name, date, and the hour equal or our listen to object that time. Uh, I hope if I translate it good, I don't know. So just like as I told you, we follow the steps and just we we finish it. Basically, I will explain the briefly or quickly. Just I told you here creation, we create the column with the week days. Here we print the new value or the missing value. Here we trade those missing value, and here we try to delete the missing values. And here this is I added or does not exist in the steps, or yeah, does not exist in the steps, just I add it because I want to see if that could exist and get applied on the on my data or not. It just show me just like 4 or 5 lines. So the part two, we pass to analyze. Here we start creating diagrams. So the first diagram is about how much hour per day we listen in on those platforms. Here similar to the previous one, but here about days per week. Here we create a heat map. Here we create a diagram that show us uh, the big platform, the platform that it have uh, much listening audience. Okay, I I wish if you got me. Here, similar, just like diagram. I'm sorry if I want to explain all those diagrams. So basically, those diagrams uh, help us to get information about our Ucut music CSV. Just like we get information from here. Here we have uh, write or what written information, and here we just convert it to graph. Okay, diagram, just like histogram, etc. Uh, just like you can find a lot of uh, French words because we study programming in French. That's why. Uh, okay, and here I want to explain just one thing. Where is it? Here. When I create this folder graphics to safeguard or to save, sorry, to save the graphics or the graphs as a png on it. uh, you can see here that I rewrite the graphs code because uh, if we want something shortly or basic or simple, we need to do just a little thing, and we don't need to repeat all those codes for diagrams as you see here. All those codes are 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 created before here, but here we just like we see it and we don't save it because the PDF told us to create for in this step, just create and show, and he don't tell us to save. You need to follow the steps. That's why. And he come in the last part 5, and it tell us to save all the PNG. So that's why you can see here I recreate the graph without, we don't use here plt.show because it show us the graph. We don't want to see the graph, we want to save it. So here we use just like plt save figure os path join output 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 there, and we name it with this with that name. So here that's just like represent the path because we give it here output there graphics, and he created here. So here as I told you, that's why you see the, or that's why the code appear long, or he appear long. We can just like use just like this, we can make this, and we can back the first code that where we create the first graph. We're here, yeah, and we can do just like this. Here we have plt show, it shows us the graph, and uh, this when we add this we can save it here, but we need to create the folder before. Okay, but as I told you, we follow the steps. So finally I will show you the code, and when it run, and we will finish all that. I'm tired. Okay. uh, wait. So here, this is those are the 5 lanes that I told you that I want to see. Where? Here is it. Print tf.head. This is how I add this even if not order, if it's not I tap it here, just or even if it was not required from us, okay? Because as I told you, I want to see if we make change on our data or not. As you see here, we print it, okay? So the first graph, here is it. This is the first graph, hours per days, and we want it in lines. This the second one, and this the third one. 4, 5, second, 7. No, 6. And this is the 7, 8, 1, 9, 10, 12, and we finish. So after finishing, you can see here that we still have the code still running because we add another code that it save add the picture to the graphics folder, and we will see it here. Blah blah. So all those are PNG graphs. Uh, that's it. You can see me. You work at VS Code because I love that. Our teacher told us to work at Colab, and I work on Colab, and they give her the link on Colab. And that's it. Here we read the link. Link and Colab. Yeah. Uh, we, I work at VS Code first, and then I cop and paste the code at Colab because I never worked at Colab, and I work just at VS Code, and I love work there. So just basically the same thing. Just pass it here, and I upload my file here. Uh, Equut music Equut CSV. You don't see it here because I'm sharing the link. Uh, yeah, I'm sharing the link. That's why you don't see the file here because I imported in or I upload the file here in my ancient account or the account that I create the code with. So yes, you can see the same thing, and here is it the same data or the same 5 lines of data. Uh, so those are the graphs are similar to the previous one. Okay, because it's the same code. Okay, as you can see here, and done. I think no, yeah, done. This is the last one. So as you can see, I hope you got something, and we're done. Goodbye. Assalamu alaikum.